an academic career in the whole is often challenging because you have to learn the techniques, you have to learn the technology, you have to continue to learn, but you also have to publish and you have to get funding in order to be able to publish. And the challenges are the funding and the publication record required to do good research and to go promote yourself academically. So I would not suggest this until you have at least entered an academic career. In other words, you have at least sustained some type of success before this separate challenge. Because the entrepreneurial side of it is also difficult, but you don't get any, quote, academic credentials from doing the business side of it. So you can't use that necessarily to get promoted. You publish much slower on the entrepreneurial side because you want to keep a lot of things secret. So it's a different mindset, but once you've begun an academic career, the entrepreneurial stuff should probably go right after that, and then they can be done simultaneously. So I would say for anyone wanting to do this, to start out to build an academic program, and then you can add on, go into this entrepreneurial part of it. You have to find a principal investigator for your company who is 51% employed by the company in order to put in the big SBIR grants. And that is sometimes difficult because you can't really afford to pay a full-time scientist. So you have to find someone who is maybe retired or in between jobs or something in order to find that person initially, because you have to have that in order to write an SBIR. But current working academic people, you can't hire as PIs. So you have to have someone who is good, who is a scientist or was a scientist. Maybe. And so our first grants, we had retired scientists as our PI, which worked out nicely. So, and now we have someone who is a 51% employee as the PI. But that is one of the challenges that you need to think about if you're going to start a company. The business focus is a different type of focus. And if you have investors, especially VCs, they want you to focus on whatever technology you're trying to promote. And sometimes you need the freedom of academia to say, oh no, that's not going to work, or that let's do it a different way, and let's try 2 different ways to do it. And the business side won't let you do that. So I think if you can maintain your academic heft as long as possible, that's the way to go, in my opinion. Now, if I get $1 billion contract, then that's out. I can leave academia. But right now, I think you should stay with academia as long as you can.